Do you forget words when you try to speak Spanish? You know the word, you've seen it before, but in the moment, it's gone. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to almost everyone learning Spanish. And it's not because you're bad at languages, it's because no one taught you how to actually remember and use words. So in this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to remember Spanish words and speak more confidently. Let's start. Step 1. Listen and repeat. Before you speak Spanish well, you need to hear it. A lot. Think of your brain like a sponge. It absorbs what you hear every day. So start listening to Spanish daily. Not just lessons, real Spanish. Short videos, simple conversations, things you actually enjoy. And when you hear something you like, don't just understand it. Repeat it out loud. For example, here, buenos días, say it. Buenos días. Here, ¿cómo estás? Say it. ¿Cómo estás? Here, nos vemos mañana. Say it. Nos vemos mañana. You're training your mouth to move in Spanish. At first it feels strange, but after a while, it starts to feel natural, like learning a new song. If you want more smart, practical tips, like the video and subscribe. Step 2. Write a little every day. Writing is like speaking, but slower. It gives your brain time to find the right words. You don't need to write a lot, just 1 or 2 sentences about your day. For example, estoy cansado pero feliz. Aprendí una palabra nueva hoy. Cociné pasta para la cena. Use your phone. Use a notebook. It doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Over time, you'll build your own Spanish with words that actually belong to you. Step 3. Use simple Spanish. One of the biggest mistakes? Trying to sound perfect. You stop speaking because you're looking for the perfect word. But you don't need perfect words. You need communication. Imagine you are painting, and one color is missing. You don't stop painting. You use another color and still make something beautiful. So, if you forget a difficult word, use simple words. For example, forget cansado, say sin energía. Forget enorme, say muy grande. Forget delicioso, say muy rico. Simple Spanish is powerful. What matters is that people understand you, not that you sound like a dictionary. Fluency means flowing, not freezing. Step 4. Speak every day, even alone. Speaking is a muscle. If you don't use it, it doesn't grow. But here's the good news. You don't need a partner to practice. You can speak Spanish alone, while cooking, while walking, while doing nothing. Just describe your world. La ventana está abierta. El cielo está nublado hoy. Estoy haciendo café. Or record yourself for 1 minute every day. At first it might feel awkward, but after a few weeks, you'll hear your progress. And that changes everything. Step 5. Start thinking in Spanish. This is where everything shifts. Right now, you probably do this. Think in English, translate, speak Spanish. That's slow and stressful. But when you start thinking in Spanish, you skip the translation, and everything becomes easier. Start small. Tengo hambre. Es hora de dormir. Me gusta esta canción. Little by little, your brain builds direct connections. And one day, without realizing it, you'll think in Spanish. So remember, listen and repeat. Write a little every day. Use simple Spanish. Speak often. Think in Spanish. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Because learning Spanish is not about perfection. It's about progress. If you understand Spanish, but cannot speak well yet, watch the next video. You will love it. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.